Welcome to English with me. Learn English through stories.
Teacher, I need to talk to you.
Of course, Emily. What's going on?
Honestly, I feel really sad these days.
What's going on?
My friends always laugh at me when I speak English.
Because my English is not very good. I try to talk, but I make many mistakes. Oh, I understand that must feel terrible. Laugh. Every single time?
Almost every time.
That's not fair.
I know. It makes me afraid to speak.
Afraid of what?
I'm afraid of speaking English in front of people.
Everyone starts somewhere. Don't be afraid, Emily.
I try, but I always fail.
Failing is part of learning.
How can I improve?
Start with the simple present tense,
Why that one?
because it's the most important tense for beginners. We use it every single day for habits.
Oh, I see. Daily life things.
I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth.
See, these are all simple present sentences.
Oh, we use it to talk about our routines. Simple, isn't it?
Yes, it's easy to understand.
Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes, but not often.
Why not?
Because my family doesn't speak English.
That's fine. Practice with your friends then. Then practice with me. I'll help you anytime.
Really?
Of course.
Thank you so much, teacher.
Let's start right now. Simple sentences first.
Okay, I'm ready.
Say this. I go to school.
I go to school.
Good. Now try this. I like English.
I like English. Great job.
English is easy. Great. These are clear and simple. Try a few more on your own.
I drink milk. I walk to the market.
Wonderful. You're improving fast.
Do you think I can really get better?
Are you proud of me? Keep practicing every day. Yes, I am very proud of you.
Thank you.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up early. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat sometimes?
Sometimes eggs.
I don't eat eggs.
Then what do you eat?
Rice and vegetables? Do you study hard?
I differ. Yes, I do. I work hard at my job.
And I feel happy when I work.
My teacher speaks English in class.
Do you understand her?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Do you ask questions when you don't understand?
No, I feel too shy.
Don't be shy.
But my friends laugh when I ask.
Forget them. That's easy to say, not do.
Okay, I will try.
You spoke well today, Emily.
I feel a bit better now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks, teacher.
How do you practice English?
I read every day.
What do you read?
Short stories. I like poems too.
Excellent. Try reading aloud. It improves your speech.
Oh, I didn't know that.
When you read aloud, your mouth and mind.
I'll start reading aloud.
Do you watch English movies?
Not really.
Why not?
I can't understand everything.
Use subtitles.
I don't like subtitles.
But they help you learn new words.
I'll try.
Watch one English movie every
I'll
week
do that.
so you don't miss the next lesson.
If you enjoyed practicing English with us today, please subscribe and like this channel.
And keep learning English with us.